The Kenworth W900L motorhome camper truck is a masterpiece of engineering that brings together the iconic long-nose design of a classic American semi-truck with the comfort and convenience of a luxury RV. It is built for those who don't just travel but live on the road, combining industrial strength with domestic amenities. With its imposing presence, it not only draws attention but also commands respect wherever it goes. At the heart of this powerhouse lies the Cummins X15 Performance Series engine, a diesel giant known for its durability and strength. Producing up to 565 horsepower and up to 2,050 pound-feet of torque, this engine ensures that the W900L can tow and haul significant weight while maintaining a smooth and efficient drive. Whether climbing steep mountain roads or cruising down interstates, the engine doesn't strain and provides a consistent power band throughout the journey. Paired with the engine is an 18-speed Eden Fuller manual transmission that puts full control in the driver's hands. For seasoned truck drivers and RVers, this transmission setup allows for a tactile and responsive driving experience, offering optimal gear selection for fuel economy or rock-pulling power. The driveline is designed to withstand long-term use and heavy-duty applications, making it ideal for long-haul travel across varied terrains. The chassis of the W900L is designed for stability and performance. With a long wheelbase around 280 inches and a tandem axle setup, the camper offers excellent balance and ride comfort. The suspension system, especially Kenworth's AG400L air suspension, enhances ride quality by absorbing most bumps and vibrations on the road. This means less fatigue during long drives and more stability when navigating through rougher paths. When it comes to fuel, the W900L is equipped with dual tanks that can store up to 260 gallons combined. This massive fuel capacity enables drivers to cover vast distances between refueling stops, an essential feature for long road trips or remote travel where fuel stations might be scarce. Despite its size and power, the fuel efficiency is commendable for a truck of this class, thanks to advanced fuel management systems. Step inside the cabin and it feels like entering a luxury apartment on wheels. The Diamond VIT interior package is a standout, offering a mix of soft-touch materials, elegant wood trims, and ambient lighting. It includes a high-roof sleeper with over 6 feet of headroom, high-grade upholstery, a full-sized mattress, and additional sleeping space if upgraded to a bunk or sofa bed layout. There's enough room to relax, work, or entertain guests. Comfort is a major theme inside the W900L. Amenities include climate control, ample storage cabinets, a fold-out dining table, LED lighting, and premium sound systems. Many configurations also feature a kitchenette with a microwave, stove, and sink, as well as a bathroom with a shower and toilet, making it a self-contained home on wheels. The layout can be customized based on personal preferences or intended use. Entertainment and connectivity are not left behind. The W900L comes pre-wired for satellite TV, internet, and has multiple power outlets for charging devices. A flat-screen TV can be mounted in the sleeper area, and high-quality speakers are integrated throughout the cabin. For those who work remotely or need to stay connected while on the road, these features are indispensable. On the road, the W900L offers a driving experience that balances control and comfort. The cab is insulated well against noise and temperature extremes, offering a peaceful environment regardless of external conditions. The large windshield and side mirrors provide excellent visibility, while optional driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and collision mitigation systems help improve safety and reduce fatigue. Maintenance is streamlined with accessible service points and a smart onboard diagnostics system. These features help track engine performance and alert the driver about service needs or potential issues before they become serious. This makes owning and operating the W900L less stressful and more reliable in the long term. As for the performance tests, while official speed test data isn't always publicized for motorhome conversions like this, real-world usage indicates that it can maintain highway speeds with ease, even when fully loaded. With its powerful drivetrain and well-balanced weight distribution, it handles smoothly at 65 to 75 miles per hour without strain. The W900L is built for the long run, not quick sprints, and excels at delivering consistent, reliable travel. Pricing for a new Kenworth W900L camper conversion ranges between $190,000 to over $260,000, depending on the level of customization, interior build quality, and specific features chosen. These vehicles are often made to order or converted by specialty builders, which adds to the cost but also ensures the final product meets exact user requirements. As of now, the 2025 models are already available, with deliveries expected throughout the year. Whether you're an enthusiast, a long-distance traveler, or someone seeking the ultimate road lifestyle, the W900L camper offers a unique combination of muscle, comfort, and class.